In addition to verifying your down payment and income, you'll need to show your lender that you are a reliable borrower with your credit history. Your lender wants assurance that you are a responsible borrower and will always make your mortgage payments on time. Your lender will look at your credit habits. Do you pay your bills on time? Do you tend to run up your credit cards? These habits are reflected in your credit rating. To even have a credit rating, you'll need 2 revolving sources of credit. For instance, 2 credit cards or a credit card and line of credit that are each at least 2 years old. Worried that some sloppy financial habits might keep you from a great rate or even from getting a mortgage? Then give yourself some credit. This important factor in your mortgage negotiation is entirely within your control. If you start right now with good credit habits, your rating will quickly improve. Here's what's important. Pay every bill on time. That one habit is your single biggest game changer. Make a commitment to never let a bill get past due. Don't run up your credit cards. Use the 50% rule. If your limit is $5,000, never let the card go higher than $2,500. Don't apply for credit too often. When you're asked, would you like to apply for our store card to save X dollars on your purchase? Don't do it. These pitches can be a credit pitfall. Don't ever let any bill go to collections, even if it's for a small or disputed amount. These black marks on your credit are hard to erase. If it's happened, be prepared to explain why, and be sure it's paid in full and reported to Equifax. If you've ever been bankrupt or under a consumer proposal, you're going to have some extra challenges. You'll need to have been discharged for 2 full years, and you'll need to prove that you've reestablished credit after the discharge, with at least 2 reestablished revolving credit items and a 2-year history of satisfactory repayment. Strong income and down payment will help. If you need to polish up your credit, get in touch. Your mortgage broker can review your situation and give you some tips on how to boost your credit rating. Next up, what you should and shouldn't do before your mortgage funds. The Mortgage Kit, brought to you by your friends at INVIS.